Karachi. If the time in Cape Town should be 10:37. So as you see here, Cape Town to Karachi means he's just moving. So here we are doing minus. Why we are doing? Because Cape Town is forward. Okay, and so Karachi is we say backward to Cape Town. So we are minus this number. So what we will do here? So 10 minus 2.5. So it's equal to, sorry, add, because it's a forward. Karachi should be forward. So what I do here? So 10 plus 2.5. So it's equal to 1 hour and 7 minutes. Now the next thing that should be Tokyo. Tokyo has a time 7:28. So what is the time at South? South is here and Tokyo should be here. So the time difference should be 12 hours. Means he's moving backward. 12 hour backward to, because look at here, from Tokyo to Tokyo time, he just give us the time of Tokyo, but we just need to find this time. So what I do here, we just minus this and we will get our answer. The 12 hour backward, it's equal to 5:28 in the morning. Okay, now the last thing, the most important thing should be that Lima. What is the time of Lima? If Adelaide has a time is 9:09. So let's check Lima and Adelaide. The time difference between these two should be 14 and a half hour. So here is the morning time at 9:09. So when we will moving backward, means we are minus this. So I get it's Thursday, not Friday, one day before. So Thursday 6:39. So as it is same question number 3 we are solving. First thing in this question, we know I will departure from Lima and destination point is south. Okay. So the difference between these two times should be, first we find the difference between these two times. When you find this, okay, so then check Lima and Sao. What is the difference between Lima and Sao? That is 2 hour difference. So after that again, you are doing minus, so you will get your answer. Means 2 times you do the same steps. Okay, first time you do this number. Okay, sorry, these two numbers you just minus. After this you are minusing 2 hours more. So at the end you will find all the answers. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understand. So see you soon.